कहा तहे दिल से हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। और इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि श्री सैफ सर को हम मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं। कहते हैं कि सुबह लिखता हूँ मैं शाम लिखता हूँ, सुबह लिखता हूँ मैं शाम लिखता हूँ, मंजिल लिखता हूँ मैं मुकाम लिखता हूँ। और वो कलम भी दीवानी हो जाती है, वो कलम भी दीवानी हो जाती है जिस कलम से मैं सैफ सर का नाम लिखता हूँ, सैफ सर का नाम लिखता हूँ। एक बार जोरदार ताली आज के कार्यक्रम के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि सैफ सर के लिए। सर
My dear members, a very friendly good afternoon to all of you, and I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating our 78th Independence Day. Dear members, you are sitting in front of me in this scorching heat under this national flag. It shows that we love this country a lot. Today, we have gathered here to show our nationalism, patriotism for this country. I also want to tell you one thing, that 1947, just 78 years ago, we got independence, we broke the chain of slavery from the Britishers. This freedom didn't come alone. This freedom didn't come in a very easy way. Our ancestors, our freedom fighters, they have done a lot for this country. They have sacrificed their life. They have done so many sacrifices to get this freedom. We are nothing before them. But now the question rises. That what we can do for this country? What we can do for this country? The question rises that they have done their work. They have done whatever they wanted to do. But they are no more here, they are up in the sky. All the freedom fighters, I think 90% freedom fighters, they have left this world and they are just leading their lives in the heaven. They are looking at us. Now our country people, what our country people is doing over here. So what is our duty? The main thing is that what is our duty? And suppose if you give the credit to one freedom fighter. Now Gandhiji has done thing, yes I accept. Now Nehruji has done thing, yeah I accept. But can you imagine that without being of one person or with the one person, can we get freedom? I want to give my one example, that suppose Indian team is playing, our Indian team just won the World Cup 2024 World Cup. Can one person can make the country win? Never. Virat Kohli cannot bring the victory. Only just Ashish Nehra cannot bring the victory. All the unity of the cricket team can bring. In the same way, our one person can never bring the freedom. In the same way, if you give the credit only Gandhiji, I accept he was the leader. If you give the credit to Mr. Nehruji, yes, I accept. But many have done. Those names have not been written in the history. Many leaders, I think, we don't know, thousand leaders, they have sacrificed their life. Their names are not written, and we don't know the name of their leaders. So I also want to tell you that being an Indian or being Indian, we want to clap for